Alright guys, welcome back to DVR here, and you may not recognize what this is right away, but this is the Flareside. The last video we had on this, we actually just put on these super swampers that are currently on it, which are their 40s by 13.5. So we put these wheels and tires on, and this pretty much led to everything that's going on now. So I'll kind of give you guys a rundown to catch you up on what's going on. Then from now on, I'll just keep recording. So just to start off, we have the fenders off, the entire front clip off, doors off. So first, we've got the coils painted blue. Came out pretty nice. Ended up using this mount that was off the Bronco we had a while ago, which allows for dual front shocks. Bought some brand new front shocks for the 6-inch lift that's already on it.
Is that a Dana 44 straight axle?
Yep, just a reminder, there is a Dana 44 straight axle swap on this. We got a steering stabilizer for that Dana 44 that we got from Bronco Graveyard. Again, this side, same thing, we got those dual front shocks. We actually got a whole parts Bronco. I might put a picture in. For this thing. This came off it, right?
Yeah.
This entire front piece came off that Bronco. We're gonna be using the doors and one of the fenders, I believe, off that Bronco as well. Next, what we just kind of finished doing today is we put a 3-inch body lift on it. You can see up here is one of them. So after this body lift, it will be overall a 9-inch lift, 6-inch suspension, 3-inch body lift. So on 40s. So I already tell that video doesn't really give it any justice, but it is a very big truck. Very big truck. It's pretty tall. So we just finished doing the bed, and it's kind of where we're ending at today. But the future plans for it is, well, we got straight doors now, no dents or anything in them. We should end up with straight fenders. Actually, yeah. Hey, we got a whole new fender. Yeah, forgot about that. So we're gonna have, the whole body should be pretty straight after this. The entire truck's going to get painted. We got a DA and everything ready for it. And I hope to record all of it. I'm probably forgetting some stuff. It's already been done to it, but yeah, Flareside's gonna be a monster. Like, actually, it doesn't really give it any justice inside a garage or anything, how big this thing is, but it's gonna be pretty cool. Oh yes, that's right, thanks for reminding me. The engine that's currently in it is a 302 carbureted V8. We're currently looking for a big block 460 for it. That would be ideal, would be a 460. And who knows, it could be a 7.3 going in it. You never know. Power stroke in this thing. Definitely not a Cummins swap. I'm getting sick of that. Everyone's doing a Cummins swap, so if it would be diesel, it would be a power stroke swap. 7.3, probably from a 94 to 97 truck. Just so we can really push these 40s, and it'll be just a complete animal at that point, which it already kind of is. That's about it. So we're gonna keep putting this thing back together now. I'll try to record the best I can. You guys a better shot of it. Should be on just about everything. Yeah, so see you either in the next clip or the next video. I don't know what I'm gonna use this for. Alright, so here's a quick update on Flareside. Last clip, I think it did not have fenders, doors. I think we just finished installing the body lift here, so just a quick update. Got these doors on, got some Bondo on them, make them as straight as possible. Headlights, kind of working on the alignment right now with these front fenders. Definitely a pretty interesting wedge. Here's the other side. This is actually a brand new. This is a brand new fender ordered online. It came with what, 3 or 4 dents in it.
At least 4.
At least 4 dents in it. Yeah, I definitely recommend if you want a new fender, or you need a better, straighter fender, just pay for the ones that are off powered outs and actually off of Ford truck. Real Ford steel. Stuff's pretty cheap, to be honest. Got this straight door on, sanded down, some Bondo on it, and yeah, it's coming out pretty cool. Again, got those shocks. So try to back up a little bit so you guys can get an idea. It's coming out to be pretty cool. The thing's a monster. So in the next clip, in the next video probably, I'll probably make this in the last clip, the whole video. Should have the entire front end on. Maybe laying some primer. And yeah, we also have a few other ideas engine-wise for this. You'll have to stay tuned. I'm not 100% sure if they're happening yet. So you'll have to stay tuned for that. Yeah, thanks for watching this video. Just a quick update on the Flareside. I thought I'd give you guys an update. Yeah.